जंबो है। नमस्कार सबको। आप लोग बहुत सारे जो बाहर है, घर के बाहर है जो लोग, वो लोग ये कोरोना लॉकडाउन के पहले आप लोग सब टिकट खरीदे थे। बहुत लोग हैं मेरे जैसा जो who didn't get chance to reschedule and didn't get traveled. So for them I am trying to help, because every 10 days government is changing its rescheduling policy. So I would like to share the latest updates of flight rescheduling policies and refund policies. So चलिए देखते हैं आगे। So if I see Indigo decide किया है जे the 30th this is for all flight those who has been cancelled, जो कैंसिल किया गया लॉकडाउन की वजह, from 25th March to 31st May, उसको 30th September तक रिशेड्यूल करना पड़ेगा। अदरवाइज you have to apply for refund. अब रिफ़ंड के लिए कुछ अलग अलग पॉलिसीज़, कुछ अलग अलग फ़्लाइट के लिए बना हुआ है, अलग अलग एयरलाइंस के लिए बना हुआ है। फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन इंडिगो। दे हैव फिक्स्ड दैट यू कैन सी हियर दैट रिशेड्यूल 30 सितंबर तक तुम यू कैन रिशेड्यूल, बट fare difference will be waived off. Means fare difference will be applied, not waived off, applied. And cancellation, if you want to cancel, it will store in credit cell, and उधर क्रेडिट सेल में स्टोर होगा इंडिगो का ऐप में। And those partner company means you are using MakeMyTrip or Ixigo or something via you are purchasing the ticket, so they will deduct the conveyance charge from your amount. So conveyance charge छोड़ के सारे पैसा आपको क्रेडिट सेल में स्टोर हो जाएगा। ये इंडिगो का रूल है। अब आप गोएयर का देख सकते हैं। जिसका ट्रैवल एग्जिस्टिंग बुकिंग 19 मार्च से अप्रैल 30 तक है, वो भी विदाउट एनी रिशेड्यूलिंग चार्जेस you can change and reschedule it, but fare difference will be applied. तो आप अब देख सकते हैं इधर, फॉर न्यू बुकिंग मेड एट 11 March, they are also thinking to save in credit cell, same as other flights. But Air India has decided to give the privilege to all passengers, those who has missed their flight in due to lockdown. They won't take, वो लोग कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा फेयर डिफरेंस चार्ज नहीं करेगा. They don't even charge any extra fees for rescheduling. You can reroute also and reschedule. It's normal, you can reschedule. So it is for Air India, but they don't refund you into your bank. You can use till 2021. You can use all this ticket. As for SpiceJet, they also make a credit sale to store the amount which you have used, which you have purchased, and that credit sale you can use in future. Vistara also have the same policies, only fare difference you have to pay, and they will store the money. They don't have any credit sale option or like that. You can reroute, you can call Vistara and call and reroute or reschedule your flight, but जिसके नाम पे फ्लाइट बुक किया गया है उसका नाम नहीं चेंज होगा. ये सबके लिए है. इट्स फॉर ऑल एयरलाइंस. किसी का those who is assigned for this journey, the name will not be changed, passenger name will not be changed. For Air Asia customers, they are very fortunate enough. The Air Asia will start refunding for those those who had to travel from March 25 to April 14. Air Asia will start refunding from April 30. And those who had to travel from April 15 to 3rd May, they also stored the amount in credit sale. They have given the procedures and all. You can check here. But one thing I assure you, don't try by yourself, because in every 10 days the rules will be revised. So wait for at least 31st May and and then just directly call the airlines or your partners by whom you have purchased ticket, like Ixigo, Flipkart, MakeMyTrip, like that. You just directly contact them after lockdown. They will be definitely help you to reschedule or reroute your flights. And if you want to return back your refund, if you want refund, they will store your amount into the credit sale. That's also possible. So don't be afraid, don't be freaky, just be safe in the wherever you are. Stay in lockdown at your home and tell your friend, and don't get hesitate. Everything will be sorted by the time. Thank you.